fuck? Y'all see, man, something like this ain't match. I just had these on yesterday. Just threw them on because they was by the door. But anyway, I'm gonna try to do this video today. If it's not done today, it's gonna get done and it's gonna be part of this video. Anyway, I'm supposed to drop this video on New Year's Eve. Didn't get a chance to. A lot of people was asking about the sound of the car with the headers, straight pipe, all that stuff I got added. Now I do got like a cold start. I got some revs in place, like, you know. But I don't have the flyby video. Like I said, I was supposed to record that and drop that on New Year's Eve. I didn't get a chance to do it because I need a cameraman. I can't do this by myself. I don't want to do it with the head scrap because I want the camera to be outside the car so you can hear it. Now, you see this Scat right here, man. It's dirty, real dirty. Ain't got a chance to clean it. Let me go ahead and show y'all. If you ain't been watching the past couple of videos, man, did add some stuff under the hood, man. Nothing too crazy. And just go ahead and show y'all, man. Y'all see it from right here. Show y'all real quick. Bam, I did switch the intake out to the JLT intake. I did switch the coil packs as well. You see they now red, different brand as well. And I did switch spark plugs. Got a video on that. I did get some more tires. These ain't my drag setup. These are some new dailies. You know, I just ordered the same pair because I do got a nail in this tire right here, so I gotta switch them out. So anyway, main purpose video is flyby video. Just giving y'all a quick update of what's going on. Been extremely busy, ain't been able to drop no content. I do have my 305 45 17s coming for my race stars right here. I'm about to get these switched out now. Make sure you stay tuned because when I get ready to switch these tires out, because I didn't do this last time, these are about to just get shredded down to the rim. About to do a crazy big burnout, man. Telling y'all, if you haven't already, sub to the channel, follow the car Instagram because it's gonna be there first. I'm about to smoke. Yo, I'm really about to burn these tires all the way down right here by the tire shop, and then just switch the tires out because the other one got a nail in it, so I'm not keeping them. So I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, do a crazy burnout, man. Go ahead and get to this flyby part. Like I say, don't know if it's getting recorded today or the next day, but this is the intro to it, man. Make sure you go back and watch all the latest videos, man. Installs, reviews, this, that, and the third, man. I'll see y'all once you see this thing flying by. Now, I will give y'all a cold start right now. Rev it a couple times, but look, man, y'all know how that go.
What the fuck are you doing?
In front of the house too, in this neighborhood.
Turn it off.
Y'all don't even know, man. Alright, man, y'all see, I got it idling in track mode. It was loud?
Too loud, bro. You got it.
Now look, man, hey, this is my cameraman. I don't know what the videos look like, man. Y'all gonna let me know.
My bad,
Hey.
man. I wasn't expecting it to be so loud, man.
Yeah, man. So I tried to do 3 in eco mode. Well, I actually did 3 in eco mode, 3 in track. Now, while I was coming back on the last pass of track, man, there wasn't enough room, man. I was moving way too fast. So I turned it around and redid it. So that last one was the fastest pass. I try to keep the first one between 40 and 55, and then the next one like 60 and 70, and last one 75 plus, man. But y'all here, I'm about to go ahead and rev it a couple of times, man, so y'all hear what it sounds like. You want to hold the camera, or you want to rev it? What you want to do?
I rev.
Hey, rev it. Hey, so you know how to rev, right? It's in track mode, man. Give me 3 revs. 3 revs. Yep. Alright, man. Y'all hear it, man. It's, hey, shut the block down, man. I gotta get from over here before they call the cops, man. Y'all already know, man. Bit Scott shit, bit Scott shit. Y'all see, man. Shit going up.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, pocket 96, 11 past 11.